Welcome to day 2 of the 5-minute mandala art challenge. If you're just now joining us, please click here for the playlist to watch all of the videos in this series and download the free workbook as well with all of the details and prompts. Our prompt for day 2 of the 5-minute mandala art challenge is contrast. Had to think about that for a second. Stick around towards the end. I'm going to be sharing some tips and information about my process. Also, if you're enjoying this challenge or my channel, please like and subscribe. It does help so others can find this challenge, as well as if you click the bell notification, you'll be notified every time I release a new video for this channel or in the future. And let's dive right in. Today's mandala prompt, contrast, inspired me to work in ink and collage. So I'll be showing a mixed media mandala here, essentially using collage with magazine images. They're actually images from Catherine Anderson's books. I have those linked down below. I'm going to start this mixed media mandala video with our timer. My invitation for you today is to allow yourself to consider making mistakes in your art, to consider the fact that maybe there are no mistakes, that we can enjoy the process and be curious, and that whatever we create now might lead us to another creation later. It might lead us to deeper insights about ourselves. So perhaps adding new layers, removing layers, completely starting over again with your mandala art, whatever is serving you. I'm going to give a bit of space while we create together, and I'll share more tips as the video goes on. And taking a moment here just to pause, notice your breathing, noticing your hand on the page and any textures or temperatures, just allowing yourself to be present as you create, and then returning back to your materials. One thing I love about creating mindful mandalas is that it's intuitive and often abstract, which also gives room for experimentation. I find when I tap into this intuitive process that emotional expression tends to come through me much easier. So I did spend about 15-20 minutes after the mandala doing several of my 4-step writing prompts. They're included in my mandala course. It's my favorite way to make meaning of my images, and I'm excited to share that with you. So that is linked in the box below if you want to check out that course. There also is a contest, so you could win one of those courses right now during the challenge. Stay tuned for tomorrow because day 3 of the Mandala Art Challenge, we are working with a really fun prompt and I have some interesting ideas to share with you.